Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to change age on Discord. So guys, to do this process, first thing is you could just simply open up a browser into your desktop and you could just simply search for Discord support. So from here, they will have the official website, which is support.discord.com. From here, guys, you should be able to just simply select submit a request at the top over here. And once you have submit a request, you will have what can we help you with. So click on this one and you will have an option over here, appeals and age update requests. And from here, you will have a filled up form. So guys, if you don't see what I'm seeing, make sure you are signed in into an account into the Discord support. So Discord support has a different account on Discord. So make sure to register one. And now from here, how can we help? Just simply select update my age information. And of course, from here, you will have the phone number, but this will be optional, and the server ID as well. So these two will be optional. And from here, just simply provide the birth of date that you have. Just simply provide a subject, which update my age. So for example, over here on the description, I should be able to simply say that my age needs an update to 24 years old, something like that, guys. So pretty much the more detailed that you have, the better the result. And make sure to confirm that you read the instructions over here and select submit. So pretty much after that, guys, as you can see, your request was successfully submitted, and now an email will be sent to you after the approval. And pretty much from here, you should be able to update your age and just simply wait for an email. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.